Now I am going to do date chocolate nutty cake. How is it? It's going to be very nice, very tasty. So we will see how it is going to be, and of course you will enjoy preparing this date chocolate nutty cake. We will see how we are going to do that. Now for that I need 150 grams sugar. Now I need 150 grams butter, and we start beating. I have got 2 eggs, yolk and the whites. One by one I will add it so that this sugar will get dissolved very soon. The second egg. I have taken the flour. How much flour? 150 grams flour. And 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. A pinch of bicarbonate of soda. Cocoa, 2 teaspoons. I have used. Now I need a pinch of salt. That also I have put. All that is put and sifted once. Already I have sifted the flour once without the baking powder and the cocoa and all the rest of it. But now the second time I am sifting it with all ingredients. That is more than enough. One more thing I didn't add, because when we make chocolate cake, when we make this chocolate is added, I need a little half a teaspoon of coffee. That I will use it now, because I didn't dissolve and put, so I can't put it in the sifter and sift it. So we will add that also now after all that is mixed. Mix it nicely. And a bit of fresh milk, about a dessert spoon of fresh milk. Now we will beat it again. Vanilla essence, about half a teaspoon. I said chocolate essence. Cocoa we use now, so chocolate essence, half a teaspoon. Dates, 100 grams. 150 only I took. By the time you take the seeds out, what happens? It is 100 grams. Now what should I use? Cashew nuts. 60 grams. 100 grams of dates, that is after taking out the seeds, 100 grams, and this is 60 grams. If you want to use more, you can use, it will be tasty. Now what are we going to do? We'll take this tray, roughly about 7 to 8 inches. Chocolate, date and nutty cake. So always the important thing is, whenever you use cocoa, a little bit of coffee if you use, it gives a better taste, delicious, lovely, I would say. Leave more space in the center so that it rises up and comes nicely. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake for 45 minutes and take it. Once it takes out, we'll see what we are going to do. Date chocolate nutty cake looks delicious. I don't think whether we have to decorate or not, but I have to show you with a bit of decoration, no? So we will see how we are going to decorate. 1 egg white. Beat it nicely. Egg white, 1 egg white. I have beaten it nicely. Separately I have beaten it. Right, so I have kept this aside. Now this is for the cake. Now cake, let it be. I want to do the icing first. So now what I am going to do is about 3/4 cup of milk I have put. We will boil this. Butter. Not a lot, just 1.5 teaspoon butter I want. I have put that also. Now what I am going to do is 1.5 teaspoon butter, right? 6 dessert spoons I have taken. 6 dessert spoons of icing sugar. Heap slowly, slowly. The milk is ready now. So the milk is ready. So we will see what I am going to do with the milk. Hot milk, I'll put a little. Little by little I am adding the milk. Put a little more, say another spoon, just to see whether it's creamy and thick. Into the stiffly beaten egg whites. Beat it now. I want to see whether I can pour it. It's watery, so we have to put a little more icing sugar. We'll see. Want it thick. Generally what we do is we keep it in the fridge and then take and beat it. I took about 150 grams of icing sugar. All that I have put. Not chocolate essence, only a little vanilla essence. I told you this cake, it's not necessary to have any icing or anything on that, but we can put a little. As it is nice. I think it's a nice cake that we have done. With or without icing is okay. Now we don't need any decoration as such, but I just wanted to show you a few flowers. Date chocolate nutty cake is nice, and with all colorful decoration is also nice. With or without it also nice. Now I wanted to keep a few flowers, but I feel that you don't need flowers. But I thought I'll show you peony, how peony looks, sugar flowers. When you do a cake with white icing alone, we can have these type of flowers. This is peony, different colors, and with the buds and all that, like a small sprig is done. So that is also nice, right? You can have these type of peony for this. Orchid, Cymbidium orchid, right? This is a lily, a small lily like. We can always adjust it. This is moth orchid. Can see the the moth orchid. Right? These could be kept on cakes and do, but not on a cake like this. Like, small sprigs you can make. And some roses we can decorate and have it colorful. Color it and do it also. It's nice in red. So different types of cakes and flowers and all that we can do. Not only cooking, but cake decoration is our line. You can see my cakes and the decoration. Sweet pea, it's a beautiful sweet pea like, right? So all this is nice to keep on cakes. It's a beautiful idea if you really make a normal cake, not a fruit cake, a normal butter cake, coffee chocolate cake, ribbon marble cake. You can have it and you can decorate with these flowers on a white icing cake. Now, young and the old can learn everything. Cooking is an art. Flowers and handwork, all that could be done if you can spare your time, and it's good for your mind if you are working like this. So try it out and see how it comes. All the decoration, all the cakes and cooking and puddings and pastries and all that, it's nice. So try it out and see how it comes. Next week with another episode. I will meet you soon. Till then, bye from me now.